IJB introduces the new Juliet high-definition cutting machine. This video will review the machine unboxing. First, remove the white protection clips on the pinch rollers before turning on the unit. Push down the main pinch roller lever in the back of the machine. The pressure will be released, and the clips can be removed. Let's check what else is in the box. A user manual and the setup card. One 12 by 12 cutting mat. 2 sheets of EasyWeed vinyl, and 1 cover sheet. In the box of accessories, we will find 3 blades, 2 45-degree angle blades and 1 60-degree angle blade. A marker adapter that can be used with the Siser sublimation markers. One blade housing that will hold the blade while cutting materials. A USB cord and a power supply. The Juliet is a 12-inch high-definition cutter. 60% faster. Easy operation. And is Wi-Fi compatible. Includes the powerful Leonardo software. Welcome to the future of making.
For additional information, please visit us at www.inkjetbiz.com. Send us an email to orders@inkjetbiz.com or call us to 1-408-394-7595. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more InkJetBiz videos.